Hello there, welcome back to the channel, and today we're back out in North Wales and we're at Llyn Crafnant. Show you a little bit of this sign here. I'm going to try and do a little walk down to the lake. I'm not going to go that all the way around it, I'm just going to go down to the lake and see what there is there. Apparently there's a monument, so it'd be nice if I can come down. It looks like the monument is at the edge of the lake, so I can hear the river just down here, so I don't think it's going to be that far, that much of a walk. To go all the way around the lake it's 3 miles, which we're not going to go anywhere near that, so should be a pretty short walk. And I've got Betsy with me as always, and join me shortly. I think it's that way, and yeah, let's go and find this monument by the lake. So, time for a hike, and I haven't got a clue where I'm going. I'm just following these signs, little signs there. It looks beautiful in here. I've got to say, it's been to the toilets. There's toilets in the car park. It's the cleanest, loveliest toilet I've ever been in. Absolutely beautiful. Who'd have ever thought you said a toilet was beautiful? It is mint in there. Check her out. I've lost Betsy already. She's off in these woods, so it's time to call her back. I can hear it sounds like a waterfall. Don't know if there is one here. If there is, it'd be nice. But it is actually the lake I'm after today, and the monument. I bought the drone, so I'll try and fly the drone around the lake and show you what it's like. Wow, look at this. I thought I could hear waterfalls. It looks fenced off, so may not be able to get down there, but again, just turn you around. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. I think keep to the plan. Let's get out to the lake, and on the way back, if I can get down for a few photos of this waterfall. It looks pretty sketchy, to be honest, which is probably why it's all fenced off, but I will try on the way back. Let me just lean over this wall. So, just look at that business. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. So here we have the little monument. Don't know nothing about it. Can't read what it says, it's very old. Few names on there. Lovely little thing. Amazing. Here's the lake. What would argue for clear water now, still water. With that view. Beautiful. Looks absolutely beautiful there. I am going to try and line something up with the rocks and looking down the lake. But I'll put the drone up now and let's have a look what's about. I should be able to send it up to the height of these hills up here. They look about 400 feet, so it is quite windy, so I'm hoping I'm not going to get any wind warnings to stop me. But yeah, I think we'll give it a go. And yeah, enjoy the drone footage. So I wasn't able to fly the drone quite as high or as far as I wanted. I'm getting strong wind, high winds, warnings on the drone. It is drifting all over the place. I don't want to lose it in the trees or have it drop in the water, so at least I've got a bit of footage. It looks beautiful, it does. For this shot anyway, I'll show the back of the camera shortly, but I am lining up the monument with the view looking down the valley. I'm going to turn around because of the sun coming back out again. What I'm hoping to do is get the sun, hopefully to light the mountains up, cloud to come across the sun, just to give me that flat light on the monument, so the monument, I can get detail on it, because at the moment with the sun behind it, it's black, being in shade. But as soon as the sun goes in, all the detail comes out in the monument, so that's what I'm waiting for. It'll be nice if I can catch a little bit of light in the mountains in the distance. So that's what I'm going to try for. I shall hold out here and hopefully the cloud will obscure the sun. Beautiful moody skies. I'll just turn around quickly before the sun comes back out. Beautiful moody skies. And if we can catch light on the hill with the sun behind the cloud so I can get this monument detail, it'll be a beautiful shot. Let me line up and I'll show you the back of the camera. So for this shot, let me just lighten the image up a little bit so you can see it better. I'm loving the big boulder down in the bottom left hand corner. We've got the monument in the right hand rule of thirds, right on the line, and we're looking down the valley. It does look a beautiful little photograph. You see some beautiful detail in the rocks in the water. I'm shooting this at f11. I'm literally going to focus on the monument. I'm going to shoot f11 to try and get me some good depth of field. I should get the mountains in the background. What I will do, I will focus also on the mountains and take a shot there, but I am hoping the monument, because I'm so far away from it, should just have everything in focus. If it turns out any good, here's a shot. So, what do you think of that shot? I am just waiting. I'm going to try and hold out and see if we can get some sun on the mountains in the distance. There are a couple of trees along the roadside here, so I might try and isolate a lone tree looking across the lake. It would be nice if we get a bit of sun to light up the hills. It does look beautiful. In fact, it is lighting up a little bit now. Just see the hills are getting a little bit brighter. So I'm going to get off the GoPro. I'm going to try and catch it, a little bit of sunlight in the hills up. So I'm struggling. There is just, the wind is horrendous, the waves, the water looks awful. It's one of those places, if you've got a flat calm water and the reflections, this would look tremendous. I have just took a shot from just down here, just got the monument in the left. I've done a little bit of a pano across. Again, I'll put that on the end of the video. I'm now going to have a little walk down just here where the waterfalls were, and I'm going to see if I can catch a couple little waterfall shots. I don't know how sketchy it's going to be to try and get there, but I'm going to give it a go. And yeah, absolutely beautiful here though. I think it's about 3 miles all the way around the lake. There's a beautiful path You've got the road on the one side, you've got a beautiful gravel path the other side. Looks dead easy, the walk does. Yeah. Shame about that wind, it's getting stronger. So, down, so we get some shelter, or this little waterfall I think. So, delicately balancing on some rocks. What I'm catching at the moment is this beautiful little, it's like an overflow for the fish to get up into the lake. Looks beautiful, it does. I've just took a shot. I want to try and walk back down now so I'll catch something else down here. There's a few falls a bit farther down back towards the car park that look really nice. So hopefully I can catch it. God, above the wind. I don't know if you can hear me with this wind. It's getting stronger and stronger by the minute. So yeah, I'm going to carry on walking back that way, and let's see what we can find down there, waterfall wise. Beautiful here though. Well, I've come all the way down the river. As you can see, it goes up a fair way, this does. There is waterfall after waterfall all the way down. It is just too sketchy. I think next time I come here, I'll probably put some waders on and climb this little fence that's down here. Little fence. And actually walk upstream in the river with the camera. I do think there's some epic photographs to be had in this. Looks beautiful, it does. Anyway, I've got to find Betsy. Has legged it again. She has dug a mouse out the ground just and run off with it. So I've got a feeling she's going to be sick in the car. The link's down below in the description. All the gear I use. My sister and brother-in-law's guest house on the Isle of Mull, if anyone fancies the Isle of Mull for some wildlife. I will get a code off her, see if we can get some discount for you, anybody who wants to go. Where am I going? I've lost myself. Yeah, subscribe, we'll do this all again next week. Here are the photographs, and until next time, take it easy.